If you want to learn how to take full body self-portraiture and what to do with your hands and legs while posing, well, this is the video for you. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can take self-portraits and what to do with your hands and legs while posing. Hi, I'm Jess. I'm a family and portraiture photographer, and I'm originally from the UK, but I am now living in Spain, so welcome to my channel. Okay, so now for the equipment that I used. I used a Canon 5D Mark III along with the 24-70 lens 2.8, and also I used one of my Andy Orr softboxes, and this here is the tripod that I used. And the last thing I used is this wireless remote, so I can trigger the shutter button with this. And everything I used in this video will be linked down in the description so you can go and take a look. If you missed my last video, you can watch it up here, and you'll see I was using a car windscreen cover, and in this video I'm going to be using two of them, and this is what it looks like.
You were gone when I woke up in your bed for the first time. I took a real deep breath. I ignore all the warning signs. I just get way too attached sometimes. You're making coffee, but I'd rather have tea. Just one more thing. You don't know about me. I'll get back in your bed tonight. Let's just ignore all the warning signs. Wide awake, pretend I'm still asleep. Feel so fake with you right next to me. We should say it out loud. There's no way in how this works out. Should we face it, or should we just lie together? Lie together. Lie together. Where this goes, I'm no good for you. You know it too. We both know where this goes. I'm no good for you, and you know it too. Wide awake, pretend I'm still asleep. Feel so fake with you right next to me. We should say it out loud. There's no way in how this works out. Should we face it, or should we just lie together? Lie together. Lie together.
If I'm overthinking, I'm really trying, so I should stop it. So hard on
If you want to see more self-portraiture videos, you can click the link up here or the link down in the description, and there'll be a playlist down there that you can watch all the self-portraiture videos that I've done in the past and recently as well. Okay, so I hope you learned something today, and if you enjoyed watching this video, I would love it if you would subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you get notified on my next video, and it would make me so happy for a new person to join a part of my community. But I hope you're having a fantastic week, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you.